Well, hello. Welcome to Rick's Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the tires on my 2016 Porsche Macan Turbo. Alright, so as you know, I bought this car. It was pre-owned. I bought it from Porsche, Bethesda. The tires, they were pretty low. But one interesting thing is it has the Michelin, I guess they're Latitude Tour HPs. The rears still have some tread left on them. It's not too bad, but the fronts are pretty worn out. And they look like they're dry rotted, which is interesting because these tires are from 2017. So don't know why they're such bad shape, but they're falling apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch them with my favorite tires for these cars that I had on my Porsche 911. I guess they're Continental Extreme DWS 06 Plus. But they're good tires, or good all-season tires. We're gonna be replacing all four of them because one of the issues with these cars, it's an all-wheel drive car, and because they're so sensitive, there's a lot of people, that say that if you don't replace all four of them at the same time, that you could risk damaging, the drivetrain or the transfer case. So we're gonna go ahead and just replace all four. I just want to take a quick second to thank all my subscribers for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos over all these years. And for the month of July, we're actually partnering up with Super Clean. They've been supportive of the channel. What they're gonna be doing is they're gonna be giving away some of the products to one of my subscribers. As long as you comment, in the month of July 2023, you're going to be entered to receive one of these products, or it'll be a couple products, and you'll actually receive one of my shirts. I'll personally be sending that out to you. So just remember to leave a comment, either on my Instagram, MARZ Garage, or here on YouTube. And if you leave a comment, I'll enter you to win one of these products. You just have to live in the US because I'm only shipping in the United States, but you don't have to purchase anything. You just go ahead and leave a comment and that'll enter you in the contest for the month of July. Now back to the video. You can see they're completely bald on the inside, so they're kind of falling apart. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace them all. And we're doing auto serve in Wheaton. All right, so these are the ExtremeContact DWS 06 Plus. As seen there, brand new. There's little details. These DWS are actually wear indicators, so once you can't see the DWS, then you need to replace the tires. They're unidirectional, so you can only put them on one side. These wheels are staggered anyways on this car. I believe these are 235, 55, 19. And the rears are 255, 50 ZR 19. So can't rotate the tires, but we got new shoes on the car all around. All right, so that's gonna be it for today. Quick video, just an update. I've had these tires on my Porsche 911 2010, my 997.2. I've had them on my Tesla as well. They're great all-season tires. I drove my Porsche 911 in the snow. Never had any real issues. Had the Tesla driven in the snow as well. On the Tesla, since it's so heavy, they don't last as long as they did on my Porsche 911. First time buying tires for the Porsche Macan, so we'll see how long they last, but they're supposed to last around 50,000 miles. So 1150 is what they were installed. So 1,150, and hopefully they'll last me for about 50,000 miles. All right, so hopefully, this gives you a little bit of information regarding these tires. I definitely recommend them. The Michelins were not good in my opinion. But if you like this video, go ahead and like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Leave some, comments in the comments section, and I'll see you at the next one. Y'all take care and stay safe.